we're going to be unboxing an environmentally friendly package, a product from Blueland company. And I have an assistant. So let's cut into this baby. One important rule to always remember when opening up a package: cut your buddy, not your body. Always cut away. So the packaging that comes with Blueland is entirely recyclable or compostable. Ooh. This is the Clean Sweet package. So let's see what we got in here. All right, so this package comes with 3 20-ounce bottles, a multi-surface bottle, glass and mirror bottle, bathroom bottle. This is a tin for refillable tablets, holding your stuff. Again, all this stuff is recyclable. What else do we got in here? Silicone dish soap dispenser holder. Ooh. So the idea behind this company is the packaging, so you don't bring plastic into your house. This is one small way if you're looking to use less plastic in your household. This is one thing you can do. So that's with that. What else do we got here? Ooh, detergent. So this is a detergent tin. You keep refilling that with tablets that you get. These are in here. So here are the tablets that go into the tin. And I've already used the hand soap dispenser. They come in this really nice heavy-duty glass bottle. They don't break real easy, as you can see. Let's see. Now this is supposed to, let's see what else we got here. Dishwasher tablets for your dishwasher. Reusable tin. Here's the tablets. So each one of these 20-ounce bottles takes one of these tablets to fill, which are $2 each. So it's also very economical. This package comes with 3 hand soap tablets, and then it comes with, looks like another hand soap. Here's the multi-cleaner, glass, and the bathroom. So what you do is you fill each one up to the appointed line, and you put the tablet in and it dissolves, and you've got a full bottle of cleaner for $2. So it's an environmentally friendly package that's actually pretty affordable. And you don't have to keep buying plastic things into your house. You just keep refilling these handy tins or bottles, which are actually very attractive. Plus the packaging, all either recyclable or compostable. So that's the Blueland company. So to mix up the cleaners is super, super easy. I'm gonna just do a couple just as an example. This is the glass and mirror cleaner. You just open up the tab, drop it in, and you wait for it to dissolve. It's as easy as that. The hand soap cleaners. This Clean Sweet kit came with 3 free hand soap cleaners, holiday scents, and also that's what this tin was also for, is to hold the extra ones. So we'll go with the peppermint hand soap and get that dissolving. This whole kit together is $83, which is pretty reasonable considering you're getting 40 loads of laundry with your laundry, 16 ounces of dish soap, 20 ounces in each one of these cleaners, and then the hand cleaner, and this is foaming hand cleaner, so it lasts a long time. We already have a couple of these in our house and we really like them. So altogether $83. I think if you wanted to start with something small to do something environmental, you know, and work in that direction and bring less plastic into your house, this is a really great kit to start with. It's not overly outrageously expensive, and all the products seem to work really well.